Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I am a first year, third grade teacher, and I'm so happy you're here. Today is Sunday and I'm doing my Sunday reset day, and I just love watching these types of videos. So I'm going to film myself and kind of everything we do on Sundays, or at least try to do every Sunday. So here we go. Also, if you don't already follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I will put my handles here so you can make sure to follow me on there. All right, step one is to strip my bed, and we're gonna wash my sheets. So that's what we're gonna do first. We're just gonna throw everything off my bed onto the huge pile that's already in my room. All right, now I'm gonna go throw those in the wash because that's like what takes the longest time. Anytime my sheets are in the wash, I always just go ahead and re-put my comforter back on my bed and like make my bed without sheets, just so my room looks nicer and it kind of gets it out of the way, and then I can start putting stuff on my bed and sorting it and all of that. So let's remake my bed with my comforter. All right, the bed is made. I have it all. So now I'm gonna work with all of these clothes that need to be hung back up from either a haul or that I was sent or that I bought or something. They all need to be hung up. So let's time lapse me getting all this organized. All right, I have my piles made. So here is all my hang up. That's just put in my closet, drawer, drawer, drawer. And then these are jackets that need to be hung up. So I'm gonna quickly hang all of this up in 2 seconds for you guys, but probably 5 minutes for me. My clothes are hung up, so I'm honestly almost done. I just need to dust and then I'll vacuum. But before I vacuum, I do have one more brand deal video that I need to do just for my stories on Instagram. So I'm gonna quickly dust. Also, I wanna show you guys my favorite thing ever is this dusting mitt. It's from Amazon, but it's the Norwex brand. I have this linked in my storefront, I think under random favorites, but it's so easy, and let me show you guys how good it works. Okay, you can see how dusty this little dresser area is, and all I have to do is just go like this. And it works so well. It's so easy to get around things, and then I can move. I don't know, I just think it's the best thing ever. It's easier to dust, like lamps and stuff, and blinds especially. I highly recommend. I think it's like $20, but honestly, so worth it. All right, if you have black furniture, then you know how dusty it gets. Like, look at that. And then just and like I said, I'm vacuuming after this. So satisfying. I kind of need to get some of my little drink rings off, but that'll come next. And look at how much better that looks. So I keep this little picture of me and my dad on here. How cute. Things are looking so much better and I'm feeling so much better. Let's have a time check. It's 3:41, so I have like 19 minutes before I wanted to be done. And I've pretty much done everything. I have a bag of clothes that need to go to Goodwill, and I'm running over that way today, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and take those with me. And then I have some I'm selling on Poshmark. I will link my Poshmark closet below. I love Poshmark, so definitely go check my closet out. And then I have some boxes of things I need to put away. So just like a little bit of little things that I need to do. But the main thing's putting up my clothes and washing my sheets. Those are still in the wash. So doing those two big things. Almost done. So feeling good. I'm not gonna lie, I took a little break because I just got a little tired. So I've been just sitting on my bed on my phone for a little bit. So it's now 3:54. I have 6 minutes, but I am gonna push myself. And in these 6 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up all of like the random stuff that's in my room that just needs to like find a home. So I'm gonna get that done in the next 6 minutes. Yay, I am done tidying my room. It feels so nice. I just put a load of laundry in and I switched my sheets to the dryer. And so now I'm gonna take a trip to Goodwill with my dad because I had some clothes I gotta clean out. I'm gonna make one more like kind of run through my closet and like shoes and my drawers and everything just to see if I have anything else I want to take to Goodwill. Hey you guys, it has been a little bit. It's now 6:05. I went to Goodwill and then I'm back at home now and I'm gonna vacuum. So I'm gonna vacuum really quick. Actually, before I vacuum, I'll probably go ahead and do my like brand deal stories that I need to do, and then I'm gonna vacuum, and then I'm gonna go to my office. So this is pretty much the gist of my Sunday reset, is just like cleaning everything, lots of laundry and dusting, and then I'll also kind of show you what I do aside from that, kind of getting ready for my habits. All right, so every Sunday starts like a new week, and so I try to read my Bible every single night, and then I have this cute little notepad that I got from the Daily Grace Co., I think. Yeah, the Daily Grace Co., which is also where I got these highlighters, and this is just like so pretty, but it's just a great little thing to keep here. So I try to do this every single night, and I always make sure I do it on Sunday just to start off the week good. So I'll do this at some point. I typically do it before bed is when I have my quiet time. And this just kind of stays here right beside my mirror in bed because at night I like to turn on my little lights and then just sit here and get all that done. The next thing I like to do is do my prayer journal. And basically I just have a bunch of prayers in here. I'm not going to open it up, but I do this every single night before bed. And I, like I said, always do this on Sunday to make sure I'm starting off the week with my habits good. I also have another journal, and I think it's in my office, so I don't have it with me right now, but it's basically where I go over any like plans for the week that I need to write down and remember, any brand deals that I need to do, anything for school that I need to do. Like this Friday, we're having Monster Multiplication Day, so I would just kind of write down like anything I need to get for that, anything I need to do, what days I need to do it, top priority, all of that stuff, so I can kind of know like what my week looks like at a glance. So that's super helpful. And just to get like my mind clear for the week. So that's pretty much all I do on Sundays to get ready for the week. I call it my Sunday reset, and I highly recommend doing it. It just puts your like brain in a good space, good headspace for the week. So 10 out of 10 recommend. That's all today for my Sunday reset vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you got some ideas for yourself, and maybe it made you feel a little bit more productive, got you a little bit more motivated. I feel like it always motivates me when I see other people cleaning. So maybe this is all you needed to be motivated to clean your room, go through some stuff. And I hope you all have a great week, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Bye guys.